everybody. This is Jean here. I'm sitting in my sitting in my front room.
How are you?
I'm not going to be seen. I look terrible.
No, you don't.
Oh, thanks, Maxwell. Maxwell came down.
Yeah,
and
I did.
What's up, Maxwell?
I'm cleaning my room, and I have a method to my madness, and it's slowly getting done.
But did you need help?
I've been folding stuff, putting stuff, clean stuff away in drawers. Yeah.
But what have I always said when we start tied in?
Clean one spot at a time.
Yeah. What you go is you go to what Mom always does is I go to the furthest corner of the room, and I would go into our front room. I would go to that corner, and I'd pull everything out. That would be those two couches, the buffet, the rugs. I would go at that. I'd pull everything out, and I'd dust and I'd clean everything in that corner, pulling it all behind me.
That's not how I'm doing it.
So, okay, well, how are you? And then what happens is, for me, then that corner would be immaculate. Everything would be clean. It would be dusted. It would be mopped. It would be clean. And then everything behind me, I have to find a place for. By the time I get to the doorway or the opening or wherever everything was behind me, that's a mess. But then I'm encouraged by all of the sparkling clean in front of me. So that's why I do what I do.
So I got all the stuff off the floor, figured out which ones are clean, put those in the drawers. But then the remaining stuff, I just put on the bed that are folded, so I don't realize the room is getting clean until I look around the room. That didn't make any sense.
But you have a big room.
It's not really that big.
So your floor is all
Cleared.
Your floor is cleared now.
Yeah, without me realizing it, because my attention is the bed. If the bed is full, I have to clear the bed. Even though the stuff that I'm clearing came from the floor. So if I put it on the bed, in theory it's tricking my brain that I'm cleaning. Or not cleaning. That makes no sense. Oh, my autistic brain makes no sense. How do you explain what I'm doing?
Well, so everything on your bed is like up to the ceiling now?
No, I've been putting stuff as I go along.
Okay. You have one closet, big closet, and
yes,
6, 7, 8 drawers?
Yes, and I'm folding stuff on the bed and it's slowly getting put away.
Well, that's good.
But the stuff I'm putting away came from the floor, so in a sense, the bed's always full, so I'm clearing the stuff off the bed.
Okay, I think...
With the folded stuff.
Do you have too much stuff?
Probably.
You think you have too much stuff?
Some of the stuff I don't even wear.
Okay, well then maybe we can go through...
A lot of them are just winter stuff.
Ah, well
or summer stuff what I don't have a place for. But I am putting them away, somehow. They're slowly disappearing.
Yeah.
That makes no sense, does it?
Yeah, no, it makes sense, Maxwell.
Yeah.
You wanted to film. Did you? Are you asking for some hints from people?
No, not really. First thing I got rid of is all the tools, the ladders out of my room.
Right, because you're doing electrics.
Yes, I'm doing electrics.
You got a new fan?
I got a new fan, so I got all the big stuff out of the room.
You got a new light?
Yeah, I got the bedding out of the room.
And we have all the extra bedding, right?
Yes, I just put in the closets.
Okay.
Because I wanted to get rid of those.
Right. Well, we won't get rid of bedding. I'll get some space bags. No. I'll get some space bags.
What? Space bags means your bed?
No.
Shut up! Don't call me out.
Don't call me out. I like my bed. It's now almost touches the ceiling. Is that lovely feather bed on your bed still?
Yeah, but
that's nice.
It's kind of annoying me.
Is it? It's not hot because it's cold out. It's only 3 degrees out. It is freezing cold.
It's 14.
It's 14 now?
Yeah.
It was 3
it
this
went
morning.
from 3 to 9 to 14.
Yeah,
So it is warming up.
it is so cold out. That's Fahrenheit,
Oh, but the
folks.
thing is, the feathers poke me. It annoys me.
Oh, but you have a mattress pad on top of the feather bed.
Even then, it's supposed there.
Well, I have another mattress pad.
You're not putting another mattress
I could.
pad. My bed is capacitied out. It's at max capacity. It's a single bed. I don't have much.
That's funny.
Space.
Anyway, you're doing a good job, Maxwell.
I am, so I'm tricking my brain thinking that I have to clear the bed, even though I'm picking stuff around the room and putting them on the bed.
Okay.
Does that make any
Yep,
sense?
you already said that. That makes sense in your autistic brain.
I am autistic.
No, don't do that. That makes people uncomfortable.
Is this not for you?
Oh,
For me?
no, it's for you, I know. Tell people about your new neurologist. I was telling them. Are you having a good day? I mean, did you have a good day with your neurologist?
Better than the last one, that's for sure.
Yeah. What?
I was instantly relaxed when she came in the door.
Isn't that wonderful? Yeah. And she actually called you.
By my name.
Yeah, and the other neurologist didn't.
Like for a year and a half, she didn't call me by my name.
Yeah.
Like,
and you would correct her kindly.
The one time I called her out.
Well, it must be pleasant.
I was pleasant.
And?
She said, yeah, I respect people. She kind of hesitated for a second. She's like, then what's my name then? Max? It's like, no, that's not my name. That Max was my name. She's like, and then there's no neurologist. I wonder if I'm the one who scared her off. I hope not.
No, I don't think so. Maybe it was her bedside manner that the office got rid of her.
I looked up her review. She had like a 1 star.
Oh wow!
She was terrible.
Oh wow! Oh well, never mind.
We
wish her the best.
I was putting up with her.
Yeah, you were putting up with her. That was a rough year. But your new neurologist got your medication all sorted out?
Yeah. I take 2 different medications of different dosages. They're like different. I wish they made one pill for for the dose I'm already taking, but they don't do that.
So
I get a 90-day supply, but the insurance got the numbers wrong. The neurologist got the numbers wrong because it's supposed to be, I think it's like 180 for a true 90-day supply because I have 2 different milligrams of medication.
Yeah. She sorted out your insurance? She sorted out your medication?
The insurance was a whole fiasco, but that got sorted.
Yeah, it's all good. So stop wiping your nose. Stop. Stop. You're so gross. All right. Okay. Well, I'm glad you're cleaning your room.
Yeah.
Check back in.
Yep. Summer doesn't think I'm really cleaning my room, but I'm tricking myself.
You keep saying you're tricking yourself.
No, I am. I'm clearing I got all the big stuff out of my room.
Brilliant.
And now I put 90% of my clothes away.
Brilliant, Maxwell. That's brilliant.
I'm clearing the bed, and then I realize I'm cleaning my room without me realizing I'm cleaning my room.
Well, there you go. You're tricking your brain into cleaning your room. Clever boy.
Yeah, because I have to clear that bed. For me to take a nap, I gotta clear the bed. So I'm using the bed to clean my room.
Maxwell, that's about the 5th time you've said it.
It's
fine.
I'm sorry, I don't get hyper fixated on stuff at all.
Could you stop doing that to my pillow? All right, folks. Day in the life of Maxwell.
Is this a mothering autism
You tell me.
or is it not a mothering autism?
Is it a mothering autism?
I don't think it is.
No? Okay, no.
Or is it? I don't know what this is.
No, whatever you think. I do believe it is a little bit. Into the brain of Maxwell.
Yeah.
Which is a little bit.
I'm essentially having to trick myself.
Okay, that's the 6th time you said it.
Oh, well. That's fine. A counter.
I'm fact checking and counting.